I'm shy. Don't search it. I'm shy. Don't search me on TikTok. I'm shy. OMG. No shy. No shy. I'm shy. Kiara, my love. Oops. 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 Yeah. I shy really. My dog is very excited. Oops. Oops. Goran. Mommy teasing you, Kiara. Go there. Thank you. You go live YouTube. You promise me. What is? Good face? I'm shy. No, you're not. We need to buy new ball, Kiara. Wow! I would like to see your face in white alive. Please do for me. OMG! Why? Kiara's face is better than me. Kiara, Kiara's face is better than my face. when when I go live in YT, I don't have viewers. They don't like to see me. The viewers will go because they don't like to see me. Yeah, they prefer to look at Kiara, to watch Kiara. Right, Kiara? Oops. You crazy. Right, Kiara? They loves you, Kiara. Silly people. Kiara is beautiful. You're stunning. Kiara is cute. And I'm beautiful. Kiara is cute, right, Kiara? Oh, right. Oh, God. By the way, I'm going to end the live very soon. It's